Welcome to how we make our rattan bassinets. Usually it starts with a frame. Our rattan bassinet is always a statement making essential for your first steps into parenthood. Notice how we have this done. It is extremely durable, twined with pure rattan cane, as you can see from the picture there. This is how we have our rattan bassinets made. So you can see, first it starts with the frame, then weaving is done. It comprises of two parts, the bassinet and the rocker. So what you are doing here right now is called rattan binding. Usually when the bassinet is almost finished, that's when you start doing the binding, just like you can see what our craftsman is doing here. Remember, it is always very essential for this to be done on all edges to ensure durability and so that the cane does not get worn out. Yeah, as you can see from the picture here. So this basket is usually larger than the Moses bassinet. Then after the binding, we start weaving on the hood. This is one of the most intricate. This is one of the most intricate processes, because we have to ensure the weaving matches with the frame. So this is the hardest part. This part here, shaping the hood. Because once the weaving is being done, we have to make sure we start cutting the cane, the excess cane, so that we are able to circumvent the hood there, just as you can see. This basket is not the normal type. It takes a lot of effort into making this. As you can see, we are weaving the hood just as it's being done. This next step is the rocker. Usually you have the frame made from rod, shaped, then underneath we fix the mahogany rocker. It is attached with screws, just like you're seeing what you're doing here. This will now ensure stability of the basket itself. Now you can see the basket is rocking very, very well, comfortably. Inside we usually have a foam mattress. It's supposed to be light density so that the baby can be able to have some comfort. It's not supposed to be tough. Thereafter, once it's recessed, we always make sure the bassinet is varnished with clear. As you can see, they are taking shape. This is usually very, very comfortable for the baby. Kindly join us in this journey, and please like and share our content. We are trying to grow this page as much as possible. There's so much you can learn from us.